water, baby. Whoa. Would you like something now? You climbing me? Yeah? Come here. Oh, boy. What are you doing? You're really good breathing. Say hi. Say hello then. Is that you and me? Yeah. Hello. Hello? Whoa. You want to have a snack? You want to pick your nose? That's lovely. Hello? Over here. Look, what's that here? Look at our wall. Whoa, back to Brody. Oh, there's a fridge. What do you see? There's Mommy's Henry. There's apples. There's a doggy. Brody. Mommy making Brody jokes. Brody. Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy. Our baby tomato. And here he is again. Hi, Brody. Yeah. Whoa, where are we going to go now? What do you see? Uh-oh, can you get down? You want the phone? Do you want the phone? Say hello. Hello. Hello, who is it? Who are you calling? Oh, for me? Hello? Yes, he's right here. They want to speak to you. No? Oh, still me? Hello? No, tomorrow won't do. Please don't call again. No, still me? I hung up on them. I was quite nasty. No? Oh. Hello? Look who's under here. Suki. She says, don't bother me. Did you see Suki? I sure did. I think you're really cute. No, say, Mom, don't get mushy. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want to do naughty climbing. Now I understand. Yeah. See ya, Mom. That's Mommy's purse. Lotion. Oh, it doesn't go in that one, though. Oh. Let's not eat the lotion. It's yucky. No. Look, poo-poo. It's poo-poo. Don't eat that. Oh my gosh. No, Brody. No, no, no. Hello. Hello. Ouch. No eating it. Hello. I don't mind if you play with it, just don't eat it. No. It's not funny. No. Brody. Let me say no. Brody. Oh no. You really want to eat it? Brody. Scrum. Scrum. Are you fake crying? no. Sometimes it's a no answer. You're okay. Let's find something more fun. Oh, what mommy can. Hello, birdie. Hello, birdie. He would just won't do. Oh, Tiny. Oh, that's the next naughty location. Bodhi.